Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing well. This video is about Hivemapper Dashcam upgrade. So it was announced on the email if you had the orders before to upgrade. I think several weeks ago. I just kind of missed it. I think just want to touch bases with it. So I didn't look closely, but it looks like Dashcam S. Looking at the first picture. But it also looks slightly slimmer, and this is a B version, so it's a Hivemapper B, and it also has the LTE or Wi-Fi or both capabilities. So they're basically, if you scroll down for the order, you can add either Wi-Fi only for $449 or Wi-Fi with the cellular LTE version for $549, which is $100 difference between two cameras. But LTE and Wi-Fi will automatically upload map data as you drive, so you don't need to wait for Wi-Fi service. Or at the B with Wi-Fi only automatically uploads data when connected to Wi-Fi. So looks like it will have built-in Wi-Fi, which is a lot better than just connecting to the phone and then download data and then connect your phone to Wi-Fi and then upload data of the images, which takes some time. I mean, it's just you have to do a lot of extra steps in order to keep up with the Hivemapper before. So looks like it's slightly different design on the pictures here, and probably hopefully a little slimmer design. Now it does have 24-hour protection, high-resolution video records during the day at night. Also event detections, which is saving, looks like the videos backup for extreme driving. So when you're braking, fast braking or hit something, it will save the video like the other dash cams designed for that. So let me know guys what you think about this B. It looks like the Hivemapper being around now already for a while, and let's take a look. We have Cedra here. That was the other stuff, but Hivemapper been hovering around 17 cents. You know, a lot look like Caspa price lately. It's just been right there. It jumped over almost to 30 cents before. It was hovering around 18, and now the price of the Hivemapper is around similar to Caspa, strangely, right? However, the rating is 365 and the Caspa is about 30, right? So it's a huge game. It still have a lot of potential because it's only market cap only 150 million, where the Caspa is 3.9, almost 4 billion. So there is a lot still for Hivemapper coin potentials there, even though it jumped already kind of high and go up and down, but it's been already for a while and it's doing its thing. So it's interesting project. Potentially could go up really high, like we've seen with XYO before. XYO project went kind of high up at the end when in the last bull run, and people made a lot of money. I was mining XYO, but I sold it. That I regret. So with the Hivemapper, I guess I'm gonna keep some of the honey, potentially maybe 50% or so, just to see how this project gonna go. So let me know what you think in the comments. What do you think about the Hivemapper, this new B product, what they introduced, and if that worth buying it. I'm gonna switch my order probably to B, because original it's almost cost the same as the B, maybe $100 difference. So I'll be looking for it and try to pre-order. This device will probably going to be available for shipping, looks like in third quarter, maybe by August. So we'll see how it will be announced probably later, but there so far is still far away probably. Yeah, it's the once closed, the price of B will increase and the bonus will decrease. So yeah, you gotta probably move on this kind of quickly because the price may change. Looks like especially if the Hive coin honey gonna go up in price. So it's not the financial advice, do your own research. I've been mining honey on Hivemapper for a while and I really enjoy doing it because the rewards are kind of great. So far I already paid off with my for my first order, and I made probably triple on what's the first original Dashcam S worth. It's pretty close to $3,000 now what I mine worth in honey, and I sold some of it for just to pay off my original purchase. So I ROI already for 2 devices, and I kept some honey, about 6,000 honey on my wallet, and still mining with this every day I drive. So interesting device to look at. Let me know, guys, what you think about it, if it worth investing in this new or not, if you purchased that before. Don't forget to use my when you order, click and use the my mining code. Once you're gonna check out, you're gonna see the area where you type in your code. When you go here and you add your to the cart and then you proceed to check out, you can add my code here, which is DONTMINDME. You can do all capitals, I guess, and you add this. Not sure it's for this specific device if it adds or not. Maybe just for me it doesn't because it's my contact information or not, I'm not sure. So anyways, yeah, check it out, try to use the code. It's supposed to be 10% discount. Let me know if it gives you or not. I wonder if this code is active because it works for original Dashcam for me, and it didn't work for Dashcam S. So I'm wondering if it works for this B Y5 Hivemapper or the LTE version. So leave the comment down below, but I'll post my the discount code there in my video description. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.